Hobby English Lab.
Welcome back to the Hobby English Lab. I am Mika.
And I am Alex. Good to have you here.
Today I brought a very important question.
Okay, I am ready. Is it about grammar or snacks?
Both, maybe. I signed up for a beginner cooking class this weekend.
Nice. What are you going to make?
That is the problem. I only saw the word pasta and my heart clicked the sign-up button.
Ha 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 ha, your heart has excellent priorities.
Yes, but now I need cooking class English. I want to sound friendly, not like a confused tomato.
A confused tomato would still be welcome, but let us help.
Great. We will start with a simple conversation at a cooking class. Hi, is this the beginner pasta class?
Yes, it is. Welcome. Are you here for the first time?
Yes, this is my first cooking class.
Great. Please wash your hands and put on an apron.
Sure, where can I put my bag?
You can put it on the shelf by the door.
Thank you. Do I need to bring anything?
No, everything is ready here.
Good, I am a little nervous.
No worries. We will go step by step.
Can I ask questions during the class?
Of course. Please ask any time.
Thanks, I am excited to learn.
Wonderful. Let us get started.
I like this conversation because it starts before the cooking starts.
Exactly. A lot of real English happens at the door before the main activity.
First phrase. Is this the beginner pasta class? Very useful.
Yes. Is this the blank class? You can use it for yoga, pottery, painting, dance, anything.
Is this the beginner painting class? Is this the guitar class?
Perfect. It is a simple way to check you are in the right place.
Then Alex asks, are you here for the first time?
That means, is this your first visit or your first lesson here?
I can answer yes, this is my first cooking class.
Natural and clear. You can also say, yes, it is my first time here.
It is my first time here. I like that. It works in many places.
Very useful. At a gym, a club, a workshop, or a small event.
Next, please wash your hands and put on an apron.
Put on means place it on your body. Put on an apron. Put on a jacket. Put on gloves.
And apron is the cloth you wear to protect your clothes while cooking.
Right. If you forget the word apron, you can point and say, do I need to wear this?
Emergency pointing English. Very important.
Ha 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 ha. Yes. Friendly pointing plus a simple question can solve many problems.
I also asked, where can I put my bag?
Excellent question. Where can I put my bag? Where can I put my coat? Where can I put my shoes?
So I do not leave my bag in a dangerous pasta zone.
Exactly. Keep bags away from pasta zones.
Then, do I need to bring anything?
This is useful before a class or event. Do I need to bring anything?
If everything is prepared, the teacher can say, no, everything is ready here.
Right. Everything is ready here means you do not need extra things.
My favorite line is, I am a little nervous.
It sounds honest and natural. A little makes it softer.
I am nervous sounds strong. I am a little nervous sounds friendly.
Exactly. Then the teacher says, no worries. We will go step by step.
Step by step is very comforting.
It means one small action at a time, not everything at once.
That is how I want to cook and how I want to learn English.
Same here. Step by step is a good life strategy.
Then I ask, can I ask questions during the class?
Very polite. During means in the time of the class.
And please ask any time means it is okay to ask questions whenever I need help.
Yes, anytime is friendly and welcoming.
So, key phrases. Is this the beginner pasta class?
It is my first time here.
Where can I put my bag?
Do I need to bring anything?
I am a little nervous.
And we will go step by step.
Great! Now let us hear the cooking class conversation again.
This time, it should feel much easier.
Hi, is this the beginner pasta class?
Yes, it is. Welcome. Are you here for the first time?
Yes, this is my first cooking class.
Great. Please wash your hands and put on an apron.
Sure, where can I put my bag?
You can put it on the shelf by the door.
Thank you. Do I need to bring anything?
No, everything is ready here.
Good. I am a little nervous.
No worries. We will go step by step.
Can I ask questions during the class?
Of course, please ask any time.
Thanks. I am excited to learn.
Wonderful. Let us get started.
Great job. Today we practiced English for joining a cooking class.
Remember, simple questions can make a new place feel easier.
Is this the beginner pasta class? Where can I put my bag? Do I need to bring anything?
And if you feel nervous, you can say, I am a little nervous.
Then go step by step. Thanks for listening to Hobby English Lab. See you next time.